Welcome back to the Ugly Games YouTube channel. My name is Justin.
My name is Ted.
And today we're here to give a massive thank you to our 100 plus subscribers. It's so cool that so many folks have decided to check our videos out. And we wanted to celebrate that with its own little video where we can kind of step from behind the veil and just say hi for a bit.
First off, we would have gotten this video out sooner, but the day we're recording is the first day we actually had the time to record this video. We're doing YouTube at the same time we're working regular jobs and furiously creating a new TTRPG, so we hope you'll forgive us if we're not always on a tight weekly schedule.
But before we get too much further, we wanted to quickly introduce ourselves officially. I'm Justin. You've probably heard me in the videos before this one. I'm the head of Ugly Games and the project lead for Awakened, a Cosmos of Chaos. I had the obvious journey into making games. I went to school for theater. I got a degree in theater because I loved to tell stories, and that's the way I learned to tell stories in high school. Truth be told, I played TTRPGs throughout college, but they didn't become a huge part of my life until the pandemic, when I found a really good group and we ended up playing like 3 different campaigns at the peak of our madness. But what I fell in love with about TTRPGs is the active storytelling that's happening throughout every session, and the feeling of telling great stories with your friends is, I hope, what Awakened will be all about.
Hello, my name is Ted, and you haven't heard much of me, but I am the second in command of Ugly Games and head editor on Awakened. I started playing TTRPGs back in college 15 some years ago, starting with D&D 3.5. Since then, I have played in several campaigns amongst a myriad of different systems, and been the game master for many one-shots and 2 currently ongoing campaigns. Back in my days at college, I studied art, business, and computers. As such, I don't have the most traditional background in game making and design, but I'm having a blast and hope the thoughts and ideas that I bring to the table are things that you all enjoy as well. You might be hearing more of me in the future, so stay tuned in.
That being said, we do have some exciting stuff that we're happy to share today for this wondrous occasion.
We have a couple of ideas for videos that are in the works right now. The first topic that we're excited to discuss is combat in general, but also space combat.
We also have a video coming out all about creating environments for your players to explore.
But one of the videos we're most excited about is a video on social mechanics systems. And in that video, we're going to be debuting our own social mechanics system called the Sway system.
You'll learn more later, but with the Sway system, we're trying to give rewards to the players for treating NPCs well and developing relationships in the vast universe, and give them obstacles for burning bridges and affecting the world and others negatively.
That's what we've got as far as YouTube news. When it comes to Awaken news, we're really excited to announce that our first official playtest will be starting mid-March.
This will be a closed group, but we hope to open it up to different groups in the next few months, and we're extremely excited about doing so. If you want to participate in any future playtests, we recommend sending an email to awakenedplaytest@gmail.com. Alright, that's what we got for this video. Again, thank you so much for watching our videos and commenting. It really means the world to us. If you aren't subscribed, which YouTube says about 80% of you aren't, we do recommend doing so you make sure to catch our upcoming videos. As always, have any questions? Let us know in the comments. Have recommendations for an upcoming topic? Let us know in the comments. And as always, I truly, truly hope that all of you, our dear viewers, stay ugly.